Making your way in the world today takes everything you've got. Taking a break from all your worries sure would help a lot. Wouldn't you like to get away? Sometimes you wanna go where everybody knows your name.
Good day, welcome to Theurgenology 1 DTM 4004, the best clinical course in the entire veterinary program. Okay, my name is Michael Morris, and I'm the coordinator and the main lecturer for this course. There are other lecturers who will be subsequently introduced to you, and all our details will be posted on the My Learning page. Okay, so today you're going to learn about farm animal reproduction, so basic species, cattle, sheep, goats, and pigs on this semester. Okay, to start with, we'll need to review our reproductive physiology. Okay, and we want you to look at the TM 2009, right, and not just skim through it, but properly review it. Also closely intertwined with this, we have all the economic and animal production considerations. Okay, so again, you will need to go through VTM 1003, 1004, and 1005, all the relevant parts that will play a role here. Okay, and as I say, you finally get to don the legendary badge of the farm animal vet that all of you all have been waiting for, the rectal sleeve, and literally get stuck in. On top of that, we will be looking at subfertility, possibly leading to things like abortion, right? Whether they're due to infectious causes or non-infectious causes. We're looking at the male and his role in the whole process, okay? And linked with that, we'll be looking at things like artificial insemination and embryo transfer, okay? Ultimately, what we are trying to do is get that out of that, okay? Again, when we have difficult births, we're going to go into great detail on how to resolve those issues. So we're going to go into depth in obstetrics, and we will be looking at the surgeries involved, like C-sections and whatnot. Okay, so as I said, it's important for your part in the process for you to look at the course objectives, right? Really look at them, have a look at the schedule, look at when your course assessments are, okay, and try and prepare for each lecture and or annual session. Again, if you have any problems, if you have any suggestions, questions, or even any complaints, please feel free to let any one of us know, and hopefully we'll be able to resolve these things. Again, thank you and welcome again.